Hello everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Thanks so much for joining me today. I have a journal share here of the envelope folio journal that I've been working on. Down below I have listed parts 1 and parts 2 of the tutorial for the assembly of this journal. This is a design team project for Ephemera's Garden. I have listed down below the place where to get the digital kits and her Patreon site and her YouTube. So I would encourage you to go over there and check her out. She does beautiful artwork, and I just love this particular kit because of the vibrant colors and the woodland theme, and just is my favorite one fall digital kit to work with. So when we open it up, there is a very large pocket, here that has more room than what I have even put in here. So you can add things to it. Here is a cute little envelope with a journaling card, and this is one of, I think, 8 tags that you get with the kit. And these here are actually from her Patreon site, one of her freebies that you can get if you join. This is from the kit as well as this particular one here. And inside this pocket, which is of course a large pocket as well, there is a first of the mega tags. You might want to put a photo on the back or just journal or embellish it however you would like, because there is room for it to be embellished if you want. And in here is the journal, and it is tucked inside another pocket. It is removable for easy writing. There is, there are 48 pages, front and back, with a variety of tea stain paper, vintage paper, a glassine bag on the inside. The spine is covered with a cloth, and there is an elastic holder here so that when you get done journaling on these papers, you can replace them with another set if you would like. So that is tucked inside this pocket here. And this is a notepad that's removable with a little bit of embellishment, some graph paper for writing on. And that just gets slipped down inside there. Then we're going to flip it over to this other side. There's an envelope pocket that flips open, and inside is this lovely tag. This is from her Familiar Trees kit. There's some wonderful eco-dyed goodies in that kit, and this is one of them. And it has my little Inky Owl charm I like to put on into my journals, and it's held together with a rusty paper clip. And inside here are some more journaling card opportunities. Beautiful echo dyeing, like I say. I think this was one of the freebies that we got for being a patron. You get quite a few, and there's so many that I've lost track of them all. But that is very, very lovely echo dyeing. And here is another sample of that. And another postcard. This is a digital print of a autumn song sheet. Very cute. And a little tag there as well. Then over here is a waterfall tag. I love making these because I think they're so versatile and fun. And you can flip up each page and you can write, you can put in photographs, you can embellish however you would like that to be. And then this string comes down over the button so that if it gets bulky, you can keep it flat that way. This is the second of the 3 mega tags tucked inside this pocket. And the third. Lovely collaging. Just really like this kit. You get, I forget how many, but you get pages of just collaging. Then you get pages of this wonderful, main sheets there. So this is Autumn Realm Kits 1 and 2, and Familiar Trees, I believe it's the second kit that I got most of the ephemera from. So that is the little journal, and I hope that you will consider subscribing so that you can see more journals I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing some Christmas ones, and also I do tutorials as well. So thanks so much for viewing, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.